Hey, what's up, people? Kedrick here. Just got a package in today. We got the iPad Pro 12.9 inch. We're going to do a quick unboxing, see what it comes with and get this thing cracked open. So this will be my first time using the iPad Pro. So, we're going to experience this together. See what we got. And there you have it, the iPad Pro 12.9 inch. Now this is the version from Verizon. It has 4G LTE, I believe 128 gigabytes of storage. Yep, 120 gigabyte, 28 gigabytes, Wi-Fi and cellular. And this is the 4th generation, so the 2020 version. It's a nice plastic. Get that out the way. That plastic off. Toss that. All right, see what we got. And there she is. Sit that there. Had a nice little plastic tab to nicely grab it out. We're gonna sit that too. Oh, look at that camera bump. 2 cameras, very thin. It's a lot thinner than I thought it would be. Let's sit that to the side. See what we got here. You got your regular paperwork, iPad Pro, the famous Apple stickers. Sit that to the side. Your power brick. Let me get this centered for you. Power brick, USB Type-C. I'm glad Apple finally decided to join the rest of us. USB Type-C. And the cable. USB Type-C to USB Type-C. And I believe that should be it. That's it. Close that back up. If I can get the box on right. There we go. Alright, now to the main event. I will be releasing a full review after I have some time with the device. So that should be out in maybe in a week or two. I don't know why that's so satisfying. So my first impressions of this, a lot thinner than I thought it would be. I've had other iPads and they were definitely a lot thicker than this. Okay, so there's no power button that's on the top. Not like on the front like other iPads. You got the power button there on the top. Got your volume rockers on your top right hand side. Dual speakers on the top. Dual speakers on the bottom. It's like nothing on your left hand side. On the bottom you have your USB Type-C. And that's it. Oh, so on here on this side you have your not SD card slot, but your SIM card slot. If I can get that in focus. By this being a Verizon model, that's where you put your SIM card. Let's power up. See, does it have any juice on it? maybe not. There we go. I'm not going to go through the whole setup. I just want to give y'all a quick unboxing. So please stay tuned to the channel. I will have the full review up in probably about a week once I get a chance to, dive into it and, see what I like, see what I dislike about it. So please stay tuned. If you like this content, please throw us a like or subscribe. We will be doing all new unboxings and product reviews for pretty much all types of consumer electronics. So stay tuned. Also, don't forget, I will have a link in the description for this product on Amazon if you want to check it out. It definitely helps the channel out. So thanks for watching. Subscribe, like, and I'll see you next time. Peace.